Shake it, make it, and celebrate it. Coco's got the ultimate Caribbean experience lined up just for you. If you're a crafter with a passion for dance, this workshop is your dream come true. Join us as we blend the energy of Caribbean dance with the creativity of carnival headpiece making. First Coco's dancers will get you moving with some energetic dance steps straight from the heart of the Caribbean. Feel the rhythm, let loose, and connect with the vibrant culture through every move. Then it's time to get crafty. Learn how to design and create your very own dazzling carnival headpiece. No experience needed, just bring your enthusiasm and imagination. We'll provide all the materials and guidance you need. This isn't just a workshop, it's a celebration of creativity, culture, and community. Meet new friends, share laughs, and leave not just with a headpiece, but unforgettable memories. So why wait? Sign up now and join Coco's Caribbean Connection. Let's dance, create, and celebrate together. Call Carice Villarreal at 860-325-0791. See you there.